Scorpio, this is your reading for this month. We will get messages from your person and let's see what do you have here. This reading is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. Messages from Scorpio's person spirit. Okay. We have, I don't like your friends, family. I'm ready. You really turn me on. This person is very attracted towards you, Scorpio. Also, there could be a lot of outside influences in this connection. We have drunken confession here. So, I'm getting, you could be dealing with another Scorpion. I still have those pictures. I don't express, but I do have emotions for you. Exactly, that's what I was getting here, that this person holds back a lot. This is someone who does not express their true emotions. Scorpio, you could be dealing with another Scorpion. Love is not a word. I do care about you though, or it could be a water sign. I know I do not deserve your love, yet I don't want you to give up on me. He, she means nothing to me. I'm done. Let's get two more messages for you. At the bottom we have, I'm still loyal to you. For some of you, I'm getting you guys could be in a separation with this person, but if you are moving on in your life or if you are not talking, Scorpio, this is very sexy to them. Your confidence is very sexy to them. At this time, they feel you are very hard to budge, but there could be a lot of outside influences between you guys. They could have walked away because of someone else. I'm also getting they listened to their friends, their family, and they walked away because they felt that they should choose someone else. And I feel that they did choose someone else over you, Scorpio, with this card, but now they are telling you that the other person or the other situation or a group of people does not matter to them now, and they are regretting their decision. They are still having those pictures. For some of you, it could be your nudes or it could be your other pictures as well, but they still have those pictures in their phone. They still look at them. I'm also getting this person could be drinking a lot these days, but if you are dealing with someone who does not express their emotions, who has a difficulty in expressing their emotions, they are going to reach out, they are going to call you. I'm getting a video call for very some of you. They will be drunk and they are going to confess their love. I don't have enough money. They will also tell you the exact reason for why they walked away from this relationship. You could be feeling that they shouldn't have listened to someone else, which is fine, but I feel someone made them feel that they are not good enough for you. And this was the reason that they walked away, that they did not express their feelings to you. And they are aware that they have hurt you, so they know that they don't deserve your love, but they don't want you to give up on them. For some of you, I'm getting this person is very insecure, Scorpio. It could be financial issues, that they feel that you have a better lifestyle than they have and they cannot afford your lifestyle. We have a Gemini here. I'm also getting they could have made you feel that they want you, they love you, but when the time comes for a confession, they never expressed their feelings. I'm also getting here, Scorpio, that at one time they could be making you feel that they are very much into you. Other times they act cold and detached, and you couldn't figure out why they behave this way. You could be dealing with a Gemini. For some of you, I'm getting this person could be very cold and detached, like very practical person. On the other hand, you could be very emotional for them. I can't commit, but I like being with you. Yes, this person is having commitment issues because they feel they are not good enough for you. Also, they could be very focused on their career, on their money at this time. They want to be financially stable first. And at this time, they themselves feel that yes, they have attachment with you. Yes, they are very, very attracted towards you, but they feel they are not ready yet. And ready for a relationship. It's not you, Scorpio. This person feels that they are not ready for a relationship yet. They need to be stable first, emotionally and financially. I want to come back, but I have to swallow my pride for taking that first step towards you. Yes, they have their pride, their ego, and they have to swallow that pride. At the bottom, we have they dished me. Scorpio, for some of you, I'm getting they actually chose someone else over you, and that person has dished them. If this is not a third party situation, if there is not a third person involved, it could be a family situation or their friends. They got to know that they were just using them, or they felt alone without you and no one was there to console them. That's what I'm getting here. But they all played a role to make you guys confused and separated from one another. That's the vibe I'm getting here. For some of you, I'm getting like your friends could be telling you that you deserve better, your family will not approve, you can have anyone. They were very insecure because of this thing. If it's not the case, then I feel they could be feeling like that, but a lot of outside influences here, Scorpio. And insecurity is the reason. Yes, family has played a significant role here. Give me one card for Scorpio, please. Okay, we have be grateful. Yes, they should be grateful that they had you, but I feel they have lost you now. Take a break. You guys are on a break at this time. A gift. It was a gift from the universe. This relationship has a tendency to have something real, and you guys can have it all with one another, but I feel for now you just have to be grateful, and this is the time for healing. I feel you guys could be on a break at this time, but eventually things will move forward, I feel. They are afraid, and now they are afraid to reach out, Scorpio, because they have walked away from you and they messed up. I'm also getting they have done a lot of immature stuff here. Like this person is immature and insecure when it comes to relationships. Commitment phobic person, I'm getting here. They'll leave you again, but you cannot trust them, Scorpio. This person is very unstable and inconsistent. I'm also getting they could be very inconsistent when it comes to this relationship. I'm getting on and off connection here. It could be a cycle between you guys that they walk away from this relationship from you when they want and come back at their own convenience. I feel whenever you talk to them, you guys always end up arguing with one another. They are getting back at you and then they get pissed off. You get pissed off, like even if you try to make it work. I feel this person is a mess and they create a lot of drama. They, for some of you, I'm getting this person gets silent on you. They don't speak, they don't express. So it could be a very irritating person as well, Scorpio. Yes, if you feel that even if you want to end this cycle, end this relationship, why they always come back? That's because you have a past life connection with them. You still have some karma left with this person, and I don't feel this is over yet. This is not over yet. But yes, I'm seeing a very on and off connection here. Pray. If you are praying to be with them, yes, they will reach out. I'm also getting they are praying and wishing to be with you again, but at this time, this is a breakup. You guys are on a break. If you are together with this person, there's a chance that you guys will be on a break, so try not to get into an argument with this person because I am seeing a break and silence here. Unfinished business. Even if you guys are in separation, you both still feel that unfinished business, a lack of closure. But again, I'm getting even if you guys break up after every 2 weeks or 3 months, because that's what I'm seeing here, very on and off connection, you guys still feel that lack of closure and then they reach out. Sometimes you reach out to them, then this relationship starts again. Like that's the vibe I'm getting here. So for now, I feel this is going to remain that way. I'm not seeing a separation here, I'm just seeing a temporary break. and arguments. But eventually things will be fine, I feel. You just have to be grateful for this relationship and try to make it work. If you are fed up from this person, then you just need to work on yourself, take care of yourself. That's what I'm getting here. All right, Scorpio. I really hope it helped. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.